We are in heavy battle with Nigeria military and Nigeria Air Force, Biafra Liberation Army. Biafra Liberation Army who do a short video lamenting that this sound of gun that we are hearing here is coming from Nigeria Army. They have gone down more than 50 men from Nigeria Army, as he has claimed in this video. So we are going to play the video for you guys. Okay guys, welcome back to Barabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, please do not forget to give us a follow. Very, very important, because as they happen, that's how they bring and they come, then you go to get them. Or yeah, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. May you turn on the notification button and also follow us here in this particular page. Okay guys, the information we will carry come for today now. Biafra Liberation Army, according to wetin they talk, he say so many things is been going on since 2 hours, that the Nigeria soldiers encountered them in a very deep forest and they are battling it over there. So they have managed to kill more than 50 people according to them, and other people run away. So they go back and reinforce with more men. So, and they are shooting harassing gun in order way to scare them away for them to rescue some of their men, and both the ones who have injured. So he's showing us, he's playing a video for us, and for us to hear the sound of the gun without showing us. So we're going to play the video for you to watch, and we'll come back and continue. So stay tuned and watch the video.
Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. I just want to update you. For 2 hours now, we have been on the battle. You can hear the gun. They have come and are falling. 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 And they will keep falling because the land of Biafra will swallow all of them. We fear nobody. We go nowhere. So, Chineke God. Amuatata. So you can hear the sound of the gun. They have come, and believe you me, they are falling. They are falling. So far, their dead body now, where then they find to carry now, is more than 50. Yes, we go nowhere. I've been telling them, military can never solve this problem. They thought we are joking. You came to fight to this. You came here to fight spirit. You cannot steal us. It can never happen. It can never happen. So, let's watch out the outcome. They came with 2 healers before. Almost half of the 1.5 healers have gone. They went back and then came with trailer full of army and 3 healers. Man, 3 and more time. We are here with them. Some of them who get... So, those of them who ran inside bush when they get casualty, and we want to capture those one alive. We want to capture them alive. So then call reinforcement, and the enforcement came. They came, and those are the gun, harassment gun you are hearing. They cannot kill even a bat. They cannot kill even a bat in this forest. So I will keep you posted. Chineke God. Oh, Chukwuki Kabiama. I wish these people know what is coming for them. I wish somebody will explain to them that this is the land of our ancestors. That we go nowhere. In this place, they will perish. They will perish, finish. In this very place, it is their end. Then go nowhere. So, they have come and they are falling. They have come and they are falling. Nothing will save them. The land of Biafra will swallow all of them. Yes. This is the land of our ancestors. the portion Chukwukikabiama give to our ancestors. And this land that hand over to our great-grandfather, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us. And I'm here to assure you that this very land of Biafra, this very breath of Biafra, this very branch of Biafra will hand over this land to our children in a very good shape, where there will be no presence of Fulani, where there will be no presence of Hausa, where there will be no presence of Britain in it. And our children will enjoy this life in fullness. In fullness. We go nowhere. Mark my word, we go nowhere. So, we go nowhere. We are here to restore the land of Biafra. And the land of Biafra must be restored. So if you think you are capable to stop us, then come and die. The land is waiting to swallow you. Yes. Chukoki Kabiama, Ikeledi Gigi. Ikeledi Gigi. May your name be praised. May your name be praised forever and ever. That after this generation, the world will be healing and asking for us. Because when we have gone, there will be no one like us. We have come to redeem humanity. And it is you that is our strength. In this war, we will fight till the end. You can hear the sound of the gun. You can hear the sound of the gun. We are equal to the task. They are the one falling. More than 50 are already fall. So what they are doing now, they have come to rescue some of them who secure casualty, who has casualty and run inside bushes, because they know as they enter bushes, they are already dead already. So we want to capture those one alive. So their reinforcement and call is trying to see if they can rescue some of them who secure casualty. So we are facing them, and definitely they will never escape because we own bush. We own bush. This is our home. We own bush. Do you understand what I'm saying? The owner of the land know themselves. Yes, this is our territory. This is our territory. We go nowhere. Here they will die. This is where they will die. Yes. This is where they will die. For now, permit me to sign out for now, to come back later and update you. But for now, we are on normal business. Chukwukikabiama is on our side. And the victory is very sure. From me, from the battlefield right now, it is.
Okay guys, as I've watched that video and hear everything direct from him and hear the sound of gun, how they are shooting, no be smart, they say things are happening for that side. Guys, what do you think about this particular video that you just watched and what they got to tell them over there in the forest? Are you going to pray for them? Or what do you have to tell the Nigerian government as well for sending troops to capture those guys? And they are saying they want to capture some alive so that they will show us and use them as a warning to the federal government that this battle is not a battle of military, that is a battle of dialogue. and this is ideology they have to buy on it. This is what this guy is trying to explain here. So guys, what do you think? Leave in a comment section and share this video. Let's talk in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important, because anytime when we say they don't buy this our page, we will go over there and talk, and before we get another one. That's why you have to be the army of Balabas G's as well. Okay guys, see you in the next video. We have more updates to bring to you today.